Where is the sun?
Sunny.
Sunny, babe? Mura magbuta. Wow!
Paris.
Yes, Mama.
Yes, Mama. Wash your hands yet?
Wash your hands yet?
No, Mommy.
Telling lies?
No, Mommy.
Show me your hands.
It's funny.
It's my good news pala tayo. So, oh my God, I'm very, very happy. Good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Sunday everyone. It's now 2 o'clock ng hapon and aalis kami. Pupunta tayo sa park. Dadalhin natin si Baby Paris para makapaglaro. Before tayo umalis, ipapakita ko lang muna ang ating outfit of the day. So ito yung outfit ni ate niyo for today. Ayan. So naka-white basic top lang ako from Zara. And then I've got my Levi's jeans. Super love. And then sneakers. And then nilagyan ko lang siya ng blazer sa taas kasi medyo maginaw siya sa labas. Pero ayan, very casual lang tayo today. Let's go. Baby Josephine. Guys, ayan yung bagong kapatid ni Baby Paris. Oh, Baby Josephine ang kanyang pangalan. Where's your sister? Where did you put your sister, Paris? Huh? Hala. Where's your baby? So, yan yung kapatid ni Baby Paris, guys. Kasi, nanghihingi na talaga siya ng kapatid. Dinala siya ni Daddy Mike sa toy shop the other day. And then, ayan, binilhan siya ng doll. Tapos, pinangalanan niyang Josephine. And the reason why it's Josephine, guys, kasi sa school niya, meron silang baby. Super young talaga, 6 months old. And pangalan niya ay Josephine. And inaalagaan siya ni Paris. You found her! Good job! Pinangalanan siya ni Baby Paris na Josephine kasi sa school niya, siya yung nag-aalaga sa baby. Kapag umiiyak, kinakantahan niya. Tapos sinuduyan-duyan niya, ganyan. Nak, what's the name of your sister, Nak?
Josephine.
Josephine. Show Tita B, your baby B. Show Tita.
My daddy.
Hala, Daddy left you. Come on, ito pala guys, oh. Ayan, kalbo. Are you ready?
Yes.
Stop muna tayo guys dito before tayo punta ng park. Bili tayo ng fish and chips. Dito muna kami sa sasakyan guys. Hintay-hintay lang kami sa binili namin. So I bought chips and calamari rings and then grilled whiting. Whiting? Yeah. Grilled whiting for Daddy Mike. Nakalagay kasi 2 people inside only. Tapos may gustong bumili ba. Kaya lumabas na lang ako. Dito na lang kami maghihintay. Sa harapan lang naman talaga guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Very dirty ang ating window. Ayan. Sea blue. So guys, kakapark lang namin dito sa harapan ng playground. And before kami lumabas, kakain muna kami guys. Kasi sobrang gutom na talaga ako. Nag-wonder pala si Daddy Mike guys. Kasi yung pinabili niya, grilled whiting. Tapos, sabi niya, bakit daw 3? Kasi isa lang yung in-order ko guys. And I'm not sure. Sabi ko, I just paid. Kasi, I think I paid $32 for everything. That's expensive. Pero ito yung in-order ko guys. Oh, calamari rings and chips. Ayan. And habang naglalaro si Paris, nanonood si Paris ng YouTube. Kain muna kami. Ayan. By the way guys, my good news pala tayo. So, oh my God, I'm very, very happy. So, earlier today, yung premiere namin dito sa Victoria, nag-announce siya ng update sa aming lockdown. And starting tomorrow, instead of 5 kilometers lang yung pwede naming biyahin, pwede na siyang 25 kilometers. So at least medyo malayo-layo na yung pwede nating puntahan, instead of dito lang sa playground and all. Kaya super happy about that. And then oh, yung hairdressers din guys, open na sila starting tomorrow. But hindi pa ako pupunta bukas guys, 'di ba? Sobrang tagal ko na talagang nag-book ng appointment for my hair. Pero yung nabook ko guys, 5th of November. So it's okay kasi nag-leave din ako sa work ko noon para mapagawa ko yung ating hair. Yeah, it's been 6 months guys. Tingnan nyo, ang tubo ng ating buhok ay sobrang mahaba na. Pero yung mga beauty services guys, katulad ng mga kuko, lashes, yung mga facial, they are still closed until 1st of November. So yeah, but hindi na yun malayo guys, it's only 2 weeks away. So mapapagawa na rin natin ang ating kuko kasi tingnan nyo guys, oh. Kawawa na talaga ang ating kuko guys, pati sa paa. But I'm super happy na meron ng mga positive news. I'm very happy kasi bumababa na yung namin, yung cases namin dito sa Victoria to how many cases today, Daddy? Did you see? 2? Oh, there you go. So kahapon 1 case, tapos today 2 cases. So hopefully magpadayo na siya ngayong anak guys para back to normal na yung buhay namin. So, 'di ba na-mention ko kahapon na yung lola nga ni Mike magpapa-opera? Pero hindi pa rin namin siya mabibisita kasi within 25 kilometers lang yung pwede naming biyahiin and malayo sila guys. How many kilometers do you think going to Altona Meadows, Daddy? 40? More than that maybe. So yun, hindi pa namin sila pwedeng mabisita. So sabi nga ni Daddy Mike guys, take what you can get. So, you know, they're giving us 25 kilometers to travel, then, you know, I'll take that one guys. Instead of, you know, 5 kilometers. Ang sarap ng chips nila guys kasi sobrang crispy. And yung pinalagay ko yung chicken salt. Favorite ko yung chicken salt. Pero si Daddy, hindi na niya kinain ang kanyang fish. Yaki daw. Alang, mahal ng binayad natin. Yaki daw. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, 3 pa naman to.
Taste it. Have one.
Sabi ni Daddy kasi meron pa daw yung scales tsaka bones. It's fine. It's fine. Sayang naman guys kung hindi kainin. Because this one, Bob, is $10.50. So that thing is $20. Hindi talaga ako nag-isip, guys. Yung sinabi niya sa akin na 31, yun, binayaran ko. Yan siguro yung napapala nyo kapag gutom niya kayo, guys, no? Tapos nag-order kayo. Yan, hindi niyo na iniisip. Where's the wind? Tingnan nyo ang outfit ng ating baby girl, guys. Oh, super cute. Good job. Good job. Woohoo! Well done, Paris. Big jump. Slide na, anak. Ang laki ng dog, guys. Come on, Paris. Naka-sportswear si baby girl natin. Come on, Paris. Takot siya sa aso. It's yours. Daddy, slide. How about Paris? Yay! Strong girl.
Wanna push me, Daddy?
Okay, now I'll sit in front of you. Ready? Ready? One,
I do it.
2.
That's that fish. That fish.
Daddy push. Daddy push. Woohoo! Daddy push.
No, get out, Daddy.
You just have to push, Daddy. You don't need to sit down. Wow! Horsey, horsey.
Paris, Humpty, Paris.
Humpty Paris sat on the... How do you call this one, Bob?
So, that is gonna go on the slide again.
No, 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 no.
Daddy's going.
Go, go. No, Daddy.
Baby, you go follow Daddy.
No, this is.
See, have a look at Daddy. Huh?
This is Daddy. Get this side.
Paris?
This is-
Sharing. Sharing with Daddy. Sharing with Daddy. Come on. So, kilala to siya today, guys. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang mukha. Tibi na, oh. Anak, uy, kayo mong naong tanaw, nak. Oh, look at the girl, oh. Slide. Go slide. Have a look at him.
Funny.
It's so funny.
Funny. That was scary.
Can you get up?
You got chips there, nak, oh, and your water is there. See? Wow, so strong. So strong.
Can you get back up? Can you get up?
No. How about this one, nak? This one. No? Hi. Do you sell ice?
Hello, Baba. Can I please have ice cream?
Can I please have
Strawberry.
strawberry and blueberry? How much na?
Yeah.
$2?
Thank you.
Wow, Paris!
Oh, Daddy? Oh. This one? Oh. Next one? Next one? Go. Oh. Daddy, put that in.
Well done.
This, this. Ready, go. Running. High five. High five.
Is the piano not working? Turn it on. Maybe it's not on. Hey. Kani ba? Wala na siguro yung battery na.
Mine is push buttons.
We have to change the battery.
It's push buttons,
Yeah. See, it's not working anymore.
There's a face.
Yeah. You have to get it fixed. You have to buy a battery.
Oh, there's a fix.
Tito?
There's a fix. There's a fix.
Tito will fix?
Okay.
Where's your glasses na? Where's your sunnies?
Where's my pencil?
Huh? Tingnan niyo siya guys, oh, sobrang sexy.
Where's my pencil, Mom?
Your pencil. Okay, sit down here. Mama will get your pen, okay? What are you doing? This one up.
Paper.
Paper. Ano si Lula? Hilak si Lula. Makalumubog siya.
Apple.
Hmm?
Under my pencil.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. No. If Mama is driving and Mama stops, what's the color of the light?
Red.
Red. How about when Mama slows down?
Yellow.
Yellow. How about when Mama go?
Yellow.
No, when Mama go.
Green.
Green. Great job, Paris. Would you like to drive now?
I
get your tummy, Mama.
I want to go in a toy shop.
The toy shop is closed. We have to go tomorrow, okay?
No, I want to go to toy shop.
Do you want your eyes? So I'm gonna put in the bin.
Yummy, yummy.
No, yummy.
Give it to Paris, Daddy. Tingnan nyo guys, ito yung ginawa ni Daddy Mike kahapon na ice. What's the flavor, nak? What's the flavor?
On chocolate.
Chocolate. This is
Ice.
ice. Do you like your ice? Wow.
They wash me.
Wow. Achoy!
Water washing.
Yeah, water ice cream. Water ice cream. Achoy! Love ni Mama eh.
Cold.
What's your name?
My hand's cold.
Your hand's cold. What's your name?
Paris.
Paris? Paris? Nico? Ano, Artie? What's your name?
Mommy. Mommy, Nico, Kenzie.
Nani?
Use my foot.
That's dirty. Ew.
Come on,
Wash your hands. Paris?
Paris.
Nico?
Paris. Paris.
Yes, Mama.
Yes, Mama. Wash your hands yet?
Wash your hands yet?
No, Mommy.
Telling lies?
No, Mommy.
Show me your hands.
Up you. It's funny.
It's very funny. Can you sing a song, please?
Mommy, Mommy.
Another song.
Mommy.
How about like everybody clap? Everybody sing. Sing.
La 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 la.
Bow to your partner. Bow to mommy. Bow to mommy like that.
No.
And then you turn around. All the way around. Hands in the air. Round up by your bed.
Cheers.
Cheers! Cheers! Come on, Laki. Let's get our dinner ready. Are you gonna cook? No? Who's gonna cook?
Cook ice.
Who's gonna cook dinner?
Cook ice.
Who's gonna cook dinner ba?
Cook ice. No, 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 no.
Ayan, lalabas siya guys. Pupunta sila ng daddy niya sa labas. Tingnan niyo. Oh. Where is the sun?
Sunny.
Sunny, babe. Tingnan niyo. Mura magbuta.
Next one is the guy.
Wow!
Can you see?
Can you see na? Where you going? Ay, napagdula mo sa yung papa, eh, kaya magluto sa ta. Turn the light on.
Can we do it?
Baby, jump. Jump. Go jump. See if you can reach it. Ah! Ah!
I'm gonna try.
You get a chair. See? See, look. See if Paris can reach it. Yeah. Can you reach it? Nearly. Wow! Wow! Such a big girl, Paris. Nana, bring the chair back. Good girl. Good girl. Well done, Paris.
Babuga.
What's Paris doing? Ang tiyan,
Did you do it?
yeah, she did it. With the chair.
Well done.
Iki sticky, bubble gum. Bubble gum. Bubble gum. Iki sticky, bubble gum. Huh? Hala, careful dia anak. Wala kay. Careful.
Mommy.
Hold you. Iki sticky, bubble gum. Bubble gum. Bubble gum. Icky sticky bubble gum. Make your hands stick to your tummy. And I pull them, and I pull them, and I pull them away. Wow! Beautiful baby! Hi guys! So it's now 10 o'clock ng gabi. Kanina pa nakatulog ang ating baby girl. And lumabas na ako para i-end yung vlog natin. Maraming salamat for being with us today. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung vlog natin. And also maraming salamat sa mga bago nating subscribers. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung mga videos natin. Before natin i-end yung video, I will share to you our positive quote of the day. Malapit na palang maubos yung mga positive quotes natin, guys. Ayan. B, kita ba? There you go. So it says, I understand that life is happening right now. I choose to embrace it. Ayan. Para sa mga nakaka-appreciate ng ating positive quotes of the day, this is for you. Ngayon ay magsha-shoutout na tayo, guys. Shoutout and happy birthday to Clarice Torres. Shoutout to Lynn Ahmad, Gina Sangila, Joanne Owano, Susana Webb from Arizona, USA, Rosana Hidalgo, Shari Salazar. Also, shoutout daw to Alexa and Eileen Suganov in Iloilo, and also Fernandez Duarez Urishal family in Silay City, Negros Occidental. Shout out to Ginia Dular, Christine Namayan, Leah Tenerife, Leah Valera, Lorita Women, Janzi Pinay, Australia. Shout out to Amy Swazo and also Malazarti family. Shout out to Helen Abiertas, Queen Joy Aman, Queen Survivor TV, Junie De La Cruz, Veda Feliz, Gemeline Tato, Rebecca Balingit, Ritz Escape, Faye Guarnes, Sharon Ando, Emmy Garcia, Chari Tamayo, Jeza Gail Rica Plaza. Shout out to Mirna Munoz, Jojo, and Sonia Stewart. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye!